What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. I'm going to be making today an organic sausage pasta with some organic penne that I bought at Walmart. The Great Value brand is now making quite a few organic products at Walmart, really reasonably priced. So I'm going to use it today to make a really nice pasta with some red sauce and some turkey sausage. It's going to be totally delicious, super easy to make, not too many ingredients. So let's get right to work. Okay, so we're going to go over our ingredients really quick. Here I have some smoked paprika. This is basically to add a little bit of a smoky flavor to the sauce. I have 1 can of organic crushed tomatoes. This is the Great Value brand that I was telling you guys are making so many new organic products now at really cheap and affordable prices for everyone. It's a great thing. This is 28 ounces. I'll probably use about half of this can for the sauce. This is their organic penne rigate, and also only one ingredient is made from organic semolina, I believe. Yep, organic Durham wheat semolina, 100% organic. So one ingredient, really great for pasta. I think this is like $1 something, maybe $2 for this bag, and it's like 1 pound, so pretty great deal. If you're gonna eat pasta, you might as well eat, organic, natural stuff without all the chemicals. I'm using some whole leaf oregano. This is peanut oil to saute my aromatics and my veggies. And here I have just some leftover tomatoes and a couple of cloves of garlic and half an onion that I minced all together. And I'm going to be using this for my aromatics as the base of my flavor. I'll saute this first and then add stuff to it. And I also have some baby portobello mushrooms. I'll be slicing these and using them. Salt, of course, to taste. And I have some Genio's sweet Italian turkey sausage. These are all natural, no preservatives, nothing in them added as far as chemicals. So this has got a little bit of sweetness to it. It will enhance and help to counter that little bit of bitterness from the tomatoes, and also the oregano will help to do that. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start boiling our pasta. I'm gonna put this over in our cooking pot and start boiling. Now we're just gonna take our mushrooms and cut them down the middle, and then we're just gonna slice them. Alright, so now we got all our mushrooms diced. Gonna take our sausage. I'm gonna go ahead and grab just 3 of them for this recipe. And we're gonna put them in the boiling water with the pasta to cook first. And then we're gonna saute them with our aromatics after. Alright guys, so in our pan here, now I have the peanut oil, the garlic, and the other aromatics, and the mushrooms. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to saute this, soften it up, And then we're gonna use this for our sauce with the sausage. Alright, so now I'm gonna take the turkey that I cut into small wheels, about 1/4 of an inch, and I'm gonna go ahead and drop it into the mushrooms and aromatic mixture. I'm just gonna saute this for a little bit as our noodles, our pasta continues to cook. Alright, so now I'm going to drop about 1/2 cup to 3/4 of a cup of crushed tomatoes in here. Actually, that's probably about 1.5 cups of crushed tomato, about a teaspoon of smoked paprika, about a tablespoon of oregano, go ahead and marry that together. Lower the heat to a simmer and cook it for about 10 minutes while pasta finishes cooking. Then we're just gonna drop this right in with the pasta, mix it all together, and we're gonna have a beautiful dish. Alright guys, our beautiful sauce is basically done and our pasta is done and strained. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dump this right into. Alright, so now I'm just going to dump the sauce right into this and mix it all together. And we're going to have a beautiful organic turkey sausage penne pasta. There you go. That's completely finished. Now I'm gonna go ahead and serve it on a plate, put a little pecorino romano over it, and we'll give it a taste. Alright guys, there it is. I basically just shredded some pecorino romano over it and it's ready to go. It's a beautiful dish, all natural, organic penne pasta and turkey sausage, all natural from Jennie-O. I'm really happy that Walmart is selling these affordable organic options for everyone now. Totally happy with that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys really soon with the next healthy recipe. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and dig right in and give this pasta a try. Smells really good. Wow. I feel like pasta is one of those things that's pretty hard to mess up. This is really good. Turkey's delicious. Has nice seasoning to it. That sweet Italian flavor. Goes perfectly with the sauce. I got the little hint of smoked paprika in there. Totally amazing. Super easy to make, organic, and very, very affordable for anyone to do.